a shikey. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was really on there.
Rejuvenation is a good thing. Hey, it's Jim Hall with my friend Baron from Big Mountain Heating and Air. I've been a customer of Big Mountain for years, and their exclusive rejuvenation is my heating AC in top-running condition. Plus, I'm seeing smaller utility bills too. Big Mountain has become so well known for this unique service.
See that thread on his toes, but it doesn't matter anyway. It's
thousands and thousands of customers for life. It's not a sale.
replacing this thing.
Like so many AC tune-ups are. $6.50 a month, even though will guarantee your AC and your furnace.
All right, so we're going to start removing these control arms now.
Reach out to Baron and his crew at 916-378-4665 or don't you dare tune up your heating at BigMountainAir.com.
I don't know whose idea it was to put Father's Day right after Mother's Day, but I'm gonna get it. I need it fast. Go to DV's discounts. They have Dad's Day deals on the day. Dad's Day deals on beginners, deals for Dad every day. On tools, watches, wallets, dress shirts, plus dozens of other deals that'll make Dad's Day double go without breaking the bank. And when you're done shopping for Dad, you can get those dresses you've been dreaming of. Like the dress everyone was posting about. Better, cuter, and less expensive at DV's. Fashion, home, gifts. Get to DV's discounts for deals on the daily.
They're the compounding experts in the greater Sacramento area that more and more subscribers are turning to. It's Parkside Pharmacy and Wellness Center at the corner of Centerville and Garden Park Drive, right next to Sprouts Farmers. Owner and pharmacist John Ortego and his staff can create custom medications to better address your specific needs. Often
I already loosened these last week.
into a single dose.
Let's just take the nut off.
Create a formulation specifically tailored to your unique needs. And when your medicine's ready, Parkside Pharmacy also has curbside pickup or can even deliver your prescriptions right to your home. Learn more about all the services by going to myparksidepharmacy.com. Custom tailored drug delivery is just one reason more and more are turning to Parkside Pharmacy and Wellness Center at the corner of Centerville and Land Park Drive, right next to Sprouts.
All right.
And online at
So I'm going to take this off. Oop. Was it shim? Yep, so we got shims here. So let's count these shims that we got. So we're working on the front left, and it's the front bolt with shims. All right, we've got 1, 2. There's 2 there. 3, 4, 5. Little thin one, 6, 7 shims. All right. That one break apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 shims for the front. The left. The left side front bolt, and then left side back bolt has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 7. Go. Come on. Come on. Hang on. Hang on. I had to push back on just so I can pull it up more. There we go. Oh my goodness. All right. Like that. And bolts. Tap. That was front, back. All right, now the lower control arm. So I'll take the bolts off of that. And all loose, stand tight. I got one nut. Another. Hammer and pound the suckers out. Good tap. Why they have those bolts inside the frame? It's they didn't design it, I guess. But in good condition. Yeah, there. Too bad. Oh, there we go. Came right out. Holy cow. Look at this. Look at that. It was toast. That one not as bad. All right. That's it. Upper and lower is done. Do grease my hands. Okay, so bunch of parts here. Lower control arm here. This thing is toast, so I got no idea how to take this off. Looks like it pushes in, so I'm gonna have to take it in somewhere. I'm not too sure if I can get that sucker out, and then the other one back in. We got the spring and the brake, wheel hub assembly, the nuts for the bolts. There's the wheel, and then what else we got? We'll go with the upper control arm, the bolts and nuts, and the shims. And that's it. So the front left side is done. Wow, it took me 30 minutes of filming. So that's it. So guess I'm gonna do the other side. All right.